Hello everyone, it's Ariel from EcomStar, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use our Upsell app. So when you install the app, the first thing you're going to see is the billing page. We have 3 tiers for the app. We have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 1 is where everyone starts. It will be free forever until you earn $50 per month. After that, you will automatically be moved to the tier 2 and tier 3 after. So if you have a referral code, you can put it here. We're just going to start normally. Let's click on start for free. As I said, the app will be free forever unless you earn more than $50 per month. Only if you earn $50, you will be charged. So let's accept the billing real quick. And then we have the 4 quick steps for setting the app. First, we need to enable the post-purchase upsell. Let's click on the blue link here. It will open a new tab. Here we're going to scroll down to the post-purchase app, and we're going to select the EcomStars app. You can save it and close it. We can check if we did it well. Perfect, we did it well. Let's click next, and now we need to enable the thank you page upsell. Let's click on the blue link again. And on this page, we need to click here on the checkout and go to the thank you page. Here we need to click on sections and add app block here and select our app. After that, we can click back here. We can see it's here, and that's perfect. We can click save, and that's it. Next step is to add the add to cart pop-up. Let's click here to enable. You will see it will automatically select it here. We just need to click save. That's it. And for the last step, we need to enable the product page upsell. Let's click to enable. And from the sections here, we will see it will be automatically added. We usually recommend put it under the buy buttons, but you can choose whatever you want. After that, we can click save, and that's it. Make sure it's saved. Perfect. Okay. And we can click finish. Okay, so now we landed in our first funnel. So what funnel actually means? We use funnels to render or not render upsells with the app. For example, if we have a store which we sell shirts and shoes, and we want to render only for the shirts, we want to render upsells that fit the shirts. For example, I don't know, pants or whatever. So we can create a funnel, which with the trigger we can set in the trigger. Let's do it right now. We can choose the trigger to be only specific products or maybe specific collections. Let's say we have a collection for shirts. We can select this collection, and then the upsells we will choose later on will be rendered only for these specific items or products that we will choose here. So that's why we have funnels. So let's go to the home page of the app. We can see some stats here, but let's start with the funnels. Okay, so we already have our first funnel. Let's go and edit it. Okay, so to start with it, let's make sure that for the triggers, let's just make it for any product, and let's start using some upsells. So let's start with the product page upsell. Let's turn it on, and then right here we can choose the products we want to render. So let's choose first 5 products. We're using the SodaStream bottles lineup. I also have one here. I love SodaStream. And let's click add. It's loading. Do not close the page while it's loading. That's it. So now we just need to click publish funnel, and that's it. From now on every product on our store, when a user will open the store, he will see the product page upsell. Let's do it real quick and show how it works. Let's open the store, go to the catalog, and click on any random product. And that's it. That easy. We already have the upsell here. Now let's tweak it a little bit, and you see the pen over here. We can click it, and then we can customize how the upsell looks. For example, we can change the color of the cards. I don't know. I'm not a UX designer. You can choose whatever style you want. Not my job, but let's just show you some examples here. If you have a RTL or a LTR language, you can change the directions here of the text. You can translate all the text, of course. You can choose by, I don't know, you can write whatever you want. You can change the font, you can change the color of the text, you can change whatever you want. Let's change it to Rubik again, it's my favorite font. And that's it, let's click save. And after it's saved, sometimes you need to maybe sometimes refresh that. Yeah, that's it, that easy. Because sometimes you need to refresh or hard refresh because of caching of the browser or whatever. So that easy. Let's also add the add to cart, upsell, the thank you page, and the post purchase. Select some products here. 5 products here. We can also choose, so we can choose products on the thank you page upsell. Let's choose the product here and on the post purchase. That easy. We already have all the upsells working and running. You can also see that we have some smaller analytics right here. You can see that we already have one unique view, which is me, which I opened just a second ago. We can also see some advanced data here for each product, the total views, and everything. Let's close the browser and open again and see the add to cart upsell. We can also click here to edit here and see how it will look. So let's go to any random product here on the catalog. I click the pink bottle and we see the upsell, the product page upsell again with the changes we made of the buy text. And let's also click on the add to cart and we see the add to cart upsell. We can add any quantity we want. Click add to cart. Of course, if we had any variations for the product, we also had another select input here. We could choose any variations. We can click accept offer, and that's it. It's that easy to make upsells with our app. Now let's also look at the thank you page upsell. Let's go and edit it. Click on the pen right here, and we can see it like in an example of the thank you page. Let's edit maybe the colors. Let's make it regular. Actually, I want to keep it beautiful like this. Maybe change the color here to black. That will be the best. Let's click save. And in order for us to see how the thank you page upsell will look, we can click on the settings right here. Click checkout and customize. And right here, like we did in the setup at the start, we can click on here and thank you. And we will see the upsell exactly how it will look for the customers when they finish their purchases. So that's it. Let's go back to the app now, and I will show you a little bit around, because now technically we finished setting all the upsells and everything. Here we have like a small alert to make sure that you already finished setting up everything, the product page and the add to cart upsells. You can also click here just to make sure that you did everything right. You can also do the exact same here for the post purchase and the thank you page. Now, we also have another page for the analytics. Now we don't have any purchases on this store, but here you can see whatever you want. You can change the dates and see some data that will help you. On the billing page right here, we can see exactly how much upsell revenue we have on this current month and the billing and the tier that we're currently on. And we also have the settings page. You can disable the app completely from here. If we click disable, it will load for a second, and that's it. We don't have any more upsells now rendering everywhere. No thank you, no post purchase, no nothing. Languages, we will soon have more. So far we have only English, and you can test again if you set the post purchase up correctly. So that's pretty much it. It was a short and quick video that shows you how to use the app as fast as I can. As I showed you earlier, you can play with it and change and fit it to your store style. You can change the colors, you can change the text, make it in your language, do whatever you want. It can fit any style. You can play with it. As I said, I'm not really good with styling, so you can play with it alone. That's pretty much it. You can click here whenever you want. You can message me or any other of the staff, and we will help you with whatever you need. We can connect to your store and change whatever you need. And that's pretty much it. So I hope the app will help you and you will get some extra revenue with it. And thank you for watching.